How to buy Bitcoins. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for coinmarketcap.com/currencies. It will land you on this page. It will show you the current price of Bitcoins. Now scroll all the way down and you'll find the option where it says contracts. You simply have to copy this address. Once you have copied, go back and head over to your application Coinbase. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to browser. Scroll all the way down and what you want to do is proceed to Uniswap. It will land you on this page. You have to connect Uniswap with Coinbase. So click on this icon at the top right corner and then make sure to connect with Coinbase. Once you are done, what you want to do is, in the search bar, search for Bitcoins, or you can simply place the address that you have just copied before. It will show you BRIT. Click on it. In the page section, you have to select Ethereum, and in you receive, you have to select BRIT. Now you have to enter the amount of Bitcoins that you're going to purchase. Once you have entered the amount, it will show you the price that you're going to pay. Once you have entered the amount, click on swap at the bottom and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can buy Bitcoins. Make sure to smash the like button and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.